Extracting an attribute value with Beautifulsoup. I am trying to extract the content of a single value attribute in a specific input tag on a web page. I use the following code. I get a type error. List indices must be integers, not str. Even though from the Beautifulsoup documentation I understand that strings should not be a problem here, but I am no specialist and I may have misunderstood. Any suggestion is greatly appreciated.
.find underscore returns list of all found elements, so input underscore tag is a list, probably containing only one element. Depending on what you want exactly, you either should do or use .find method, which returns only one first found element.
I would actually suggest you a time-saving way to go with this, assuming that you know what kind of tags have those attributes. Suppose say a tag XYZ has that attribute named staininfo. And I want you to understand that full underscore tag is a list. Thus, you can get all the attribute values of staininfo for all the tags XYZ.
If you want to retrieve multiple values of attributes from the source above, you can use find all and a list comprehension to get everything you need.
In Python 3.x, simply use get @name on your tag object that you get using find underscore all. Against XML file conf / test1.xml that looks like prints.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.